This is the AIT Smart 1. Adjustable height, the perfect size, ambient LED lighting, integrated cables drawer with electronic safe lock, measures air quality controllable via a simple app, built-in wireless charger, built-in speakers, built-in air freshener, ergonomic footrest, and a built-in fitness module.
How do you measure your child's height and weight at home? It must be inconvenient, inaccurate, and quite hassling to record the data. So you end up visiting the doctors for more accurate measurements. Say hello to Kiko, the world's first laser height measurer and smart scale. Measure your child's height and weight with ease and accuracy at home. Kiko Height Measurer is portable and easy to use. Because it measures height with a laser, it's quicker and more precise, so you can get accurate figures in a second. Even when it's tilted, auto-calibration technology will automatically compensate for any errors, giving you exact measurements. Kiko Smart Scale is actually smart. With 4 electrodes on the plate, you can get weight as well as 7 body composition metrics. All records are saved in the app, so you can easily track changes. You can even compare your child's data against similarly aged children in the provided WHO database and closely monitor your child's growth development. Grow with your children. Grow with Kiko. Don't bother. Kiko is here to help you.
Do you ever feel like your house just can't get clean enough? Breakfast messes, dog fur, and hair everywhere on the floor. Now, I've tried everything to clean. The fact is that some robot vacuums just don't clean very well, and you often need different tools to clean with. And lots of times, you have to clean up tangled hair on the insides yourself. Then, I found Higher TAB Tablet. Hey Alexa, start cleaning.
Okay, starting to clean.
Wait, this isn't just an ordinary robot vacuum cleaner.
TAB Tablet has patented hair anti-winding cutting technology, which cuts the hair as it vacuums so that it doesn't get tangled up anywhere in the cleaner. The anti-winding technology and the powerful suction means that you'll never have to clean out tangled up hair from your vacuum cleaner ever again.
That's not all it cleans.
TAB Tablet has a super unique built-in detachable cleaner, so you can clean hard-to-reach places by hand. You can set the cleaning time through the TAB Tablet app. It uses advanced LDS and SLAM navigation radar to ensure that every inch of your home gets thoroughly cleaned. You can easily set up virtual walls so that it doesn't go near places that you want it to avoid. Other cleaners leak water everywhere, but TAB Tablet has drip control technology, which means no unexpected puddles. It also has an adjustable mop, which provides close contact with the floor and then cleans thoroughly. TAB Tablet really has all the bases covered. It reaches under beds and sofas, climbs small obstacles, and does not fall. Best of all, it has automatic cleaning and charging. You might not know this, but Hire TAB is an online company that is part of the Hire Electronics Group, the same company that has brought you awesome electronics for millions of homes over the years. I use TAB Tablet over the entire house and vacuum and mop with ease. That's why I love having it in our home.
You want a nice, clean home. So you go out and get spray bottles and cleaners with chemicals for your furniture, your windows, your floors. By the time you get home, you end up looking like this.
Sorry. Sorry again.
Look, no worries. I've got the perfect solution. This is Egret. It's an all-in-one cleaning agent.
Huh. All in one, you say?
All in one. It's a cleaning agent, it can disinfect the air, and it's even non-toxic.
So it's good to use on food?
Yep.
Pet toys?
Yep.
What about baby items?
Completely safe.
Whoa. It sounds expensive.
Not at all. It only costs about 10 cents a day.
Wow, I feel myself saving money already.
Well, you don't just save money, you also save the environment by cutting down on plastic consumption. And since Egret is a one-stop shop for cleaning agents, you won't have to worry about using separate plastic bottles over and over again. What are you doing?
I'm just freshening up. This thing really can do anything.
All right, how about we just hand that back over?
No, dude, come on. Just give me the 2 minutes.
If you want to know more about Egret, take a look at this.
S1 Smart Lock has various unlock methods. It is safe and convenient. You can unlock the lock easily with the light touch. Your smartphone is your key. If you don't have a smartphone, enter the password using capacitive touch mode. Then you can safely lock and unlock the door. You can even ask Alexa and Google Assistant to unlock your front door. When you leave, S1 will lock the door automatically. It's like your personal doorman. When the cleaner comes to clean the house, just send him or her a temporary electronic key with time window to access. The app will send you push notifications to tell you when the door opens. You can also access the lock opening records at any time. You can create a secure dynamic key for your friends or even Airbnb guests. When the strangers try to guess the door password, the screen will be disabled due to the wrong password guess. You'll receive an alert reminder through the app as well. There is a physical key for the lock in case you need. Wireless installation, simple and fast. S1 offers 3 different versions for different lock types for different doors worldwide. S1, redefining smart lock. It is safer and more convenient.